Hello, you are watching Towards TV. Wonderful weather today. Around 50 temperature, 50 Fahrenheit in Chicago. Very cool to drive here. Stop sign. They're moving. Hard to see in front of us. This is a rainy night in Chicago. Long hours rain. Continuously rain in Chicago. But very beautiful to drive in Chicago, especially in rainy time, because have to be careful to drive. Not easy to drive. We are going to shopping for somewhere around Target. We are going to buy something in Target, but I will not go inside. Someone else will go inside. See what a beautiful weather around us. All covering trees. Trees are covering the street. Chicago is one of the most beautiful city in the world. Here, lot of beauty, lot of greenery. People are beautiful too. See, coming up road, we have to stop here for stop sign. Respecting law, having wonderful life. If you want to get peace, you have to respect and follow the law of the land and law of nature. Green, yellow, yellow, green. Move. This is a dark night, but windy and rain. Driving super slow. Wiping because water are on our windshield. Have to make left from this light. See, wonderful sound. It is windy sound, natural sound, natural windy sound. Chicago is a windy city. See, but still people are outside. Whatever weather, people have to enjoy outside. Someone going for job, someone coming from job, someone going for shopping like us, and someone enjoying like us, because we are enjoying here too. So I'm trying to share every enjoyment with you guys.
जी बेटा अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाँ उसको उतार दिया, लेकिन मैंने उसको बोल दिया कि आप मुझे बताइएगा कि
Have to be careful while driving because driving is the fun. Why? Because you are using all tools of your body. You are watching to drive, hearing, and taking care around the road. Anyone can run in front of you. See, this is green, yellow and dark mixing together like that. See what a looking beautiful. This is around city, north suburb of Chicago. 50 temperature, around 50 temperature, going up down, making us happy. Sometime rolling down window, opening window, and taking fresh air along with water. Rainy water. It's a nice fun. You can stay with us and fun with us, enjoy with us. You supposed to drive. I'm driving, but driving along with you guys because I want to share every good thing with you guys. My respected ladies and gentlemen and guys and friends and brother and sister, if you are new to this channel, please share and subscribe and comments so that I can improve my quality, I can improve video recording, and I can show you a lot of things around the world because I'm touring everywhere. I like to tour, I like to visit, I like to see a lot of things, and I will say if I have opportunity, everything I want to see. See water covering our shield, moving, construction is going on too. So only one way, one lane. We can drive only one lane. Stay on your lane because of construction right side. I'm making right. I did it. See. It's a dark night, but electricity making more beautiful and sometime lighting from sky. That's called बिजली चमक रही है, बादल गरज रहा है, thunder and lightning and rain, all things mixing together and feeling happy, cool, nice weather, wearing sweaters. See light. This is signal, red light, green light, moving. Respected friend, always follow the law wherever you live, because if we follow the law or if we take care of someone else, then we can create beautiful society, beautiful atmosphere, because life need to be happy, and happy required something, tolerance, patience, spreading good thing. If going on something wrong, then try to fix those people along with myself. See, look at the sky. Usually sky looks green and blue, but tonight the sky looking black because of rain, foggy and cloudy weather, but rain too. Dear friend, I like to follow the law. So, following the rule and regulation of traffic law. See, hard to see, so using wipers sometime. This is Skokie Boulevard Street. I'm going. This is a suburb, Skokie suburb. And Skokie Boulevard Street name. Coming up light will make left. That's called Howard Street. So I'm staying right, left side. Left side is, see, I made it. Look at left side, there is a lot of car because see, sometimes hearing noise because some aeroplane going from sky to, so hearing lot of thing, mixing thing. See, in front of us people are coming from other side, then hard to see, hard to drive, so very careful driving. Because every people running. Very soon. See, dark night. This is a tour TV. I'm touring myself and with you guys too, because you are watching and enjoying with us. What a wonderful weather, and we are together. Beautiful view, beautiful Chicago, clean and green city. See, this is the yellow sign both sides, because yellow sign meaning people can cross the street, so have to drive, careful driving, watch people, watch pedestrian, watch other guy, because if you are watching everything, then you can make your cool life, cool time. So, expected to rain all night. Oh, driving fast, but under the speed limit. This is the Howard Street, right side Chicago and left side Evanston. And we are driving in between those cities. left side Evanston City